akwasi insia commander 6 kanu seniatia there's a person mama here charge no 100 days and also 120 days 120 days so no one year under 100 days 120
yeah social contract
okay to be a judge should be judged by 120
that is where the pendulum starts swinging on a boss a boba is
but
okoyi at least okoyi power the country is already bleeding. It was a doctor. I mean, unfortunately, my brother or a medical doctor. For a medical doctor and come back as on surgery.
On diagnosis.
The prayer is that you pray for life, you pray for good health. These are the two most important prayers. We'll be also it will be part of the table.
Let us develop the country.
Okay.
I said earlier on, we shouldn't live a life of only politics. We have to look, we share other countries, development. That's you go and you say, hey, within 5 years, this country has developed. Look at Rwanda, look at Uganda. Countries are in Africa. We better say they are not our peers. But when you go on social media and they are showing these days, it's YouTubers here, or more around countries. We hear Jamaica, the last time we call Jamaica, I think in the turn of the century. But this so-called Jamaica, it has totally changed. Most of the West Indies have totally changed. Can I hear their growth? That is all. That is what Chris is leveraging on. Apart from that, the whole place is water. And archaeological the amount for all over the world. Miss Ghana, a country like Ghana, slave trade. We have got Asem. We've got a lot of people to come in. We are not leveraging on it. You see, I was
Yamefa, ya papa Joseph Adikoka Ekra NC, the former Greater Accra Regional Chairman, Edema NDC Amanyoko, a regular panel member of Big Dream. And no other question that Yanti Asem de. And he said, Bamu a day in Sanu, Abetu Ora Joseph Adikoka Eso. Papa, your madam refugee. You near money. Why you be a man? Why you be a man? Ghana football. Why you be the man NDC Amanyoko? Bema be yebi. E yampara se wa mbeye ni nyina. Ye madam refugee bi. Ye madam refugee bi. Genia man. Faya kwa kese konfama abusuya. Oyiroma. Enuanom namfofo adofo. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Professor Nana Jane Opokwajima, and this Mumpeni for this for Ghana Football Association, Ghana de Shayina, and Yatwabese. Ora Joseph Adikoka, Yabeka Wododo, Yabeka your patriotism. Sana enime buon ma on pese be ya manyosem Ghana for be kai wododo e be kai wo futupa e be kai wa kwankyere ni aka wo sue ho so de amaye ya me fa kresi Asem di kabre na adrusui ewie na oman ne kwabena asante ene ebenifo atrase ede pese mu atoaso ede amaw Na quickly Weber say owo Bella video na mpacho of mama say yenko Tema Ghana Port and Harbour Authority me kire Harbour Road. Ye ka ho asem some time ago. Se meka ya me gina ya be ka say wodo ni e kire Harbour Road a. Ekwan a ekọ Ghana bia enye sika kese pa efri no na atete apansam. Na atete apansam. Now before see ebe be sanko me need the Minister for Roads and Highways edi nkombo. E was yakosie no kware. Na emo kan nyina no kware. But I can assure you see ebe ye ho adwuma. True to his words. Ye ohun nie. Adwuma e kwaso ma me kwa amaso nam ne ama ne boni Bella. Ye whatever enkodi enko Bella, good morning.
Good morning.
Na ujan fa no pay.
Mijina GMG enim hafe ha na mijina.
Okay.
The last ye be report wo no road ne say na ye be report no ha na mijina.
Afa my update say na hotia no pay.
Yo, iti say na road ne last na ye be report no.
Yeah.
Nyame Adom ye be pie mu anope road no so eye. Ye fa omumfa we quota no ngu so de but embuba wo so a che so ma level so a chippings no e wo so outmu say omo ye juma e wo kwan so omo block weighing bridge no both side enim hono entrance any exit so no ma block hono a omo sa side no hono na say pa intenu na omo eye ho juma afin so no uko beyond we no weighing bridge no ho eko we runabout hono no so no so no no de oma level so chipping saying go so but oma level so a obutunu so omo kwano eko other side no so kwano na kwano enye de but na eno no yensin de biasese a omo no ntini migidi se ha se no ase kra no enu nti na omo aye be kasa ho no enu nti na omo hu edu baba migidi se mpanyinfo be bo modern so na omo wie ha se na other side no so no da bia enye no so no mbe ye hu so ejuma ba ha se no de senate na ye be report ye no Nyame Adom improve ba o ma block roads ni no cars no ekofa post office kwan no so
okay
omo kofa post office kwan
yo Bella am say the last time komo ba ko a
answer na on bebie
ye komo ba ko am say kofa komo kese ba ya na mpanifo kan wasem bi ye ahyenkafo a elodi free habone inside no so mo ko a ni abegina the shoulder of the road no ene ka say omo da so egina wana ya kla omo nyina free ho
okay no cre anope mi hu say TMA omo gas no me drew anope other side ho no me drew a ha say no but other side or no mu gina kwano so it be some so na no patututu e dey no mo eye wa ha no say because normally no yen ba ha say anopa esa no mo say trucks na a park wo so there's no enu hu na omo aba area no mu anope no mo hwese omo ebe ko ne wo say omo e fine omo so mbe fine omo ne wo say omo edi fa ho no ne wo say kon so no ombe hwese ebe ko nti anope TMA gas no e wo kwan no so any omo vehicles ha omo ensure say shoulders no truck bia park wo ho no nti no sanity e wo kwan no so
that's it Bella this all about semidika medical catch now ye reporting only the bad news and now you can ye empenifo to one among Tema Harbour Road the car ho asem se na atete apansamu a car nko ka ntimi emma no enampa empenifo ate atu one among ema se no hu no TV so no ekwan na contract engineer so a ye ni gidigidi na de ba akonso eye drivers loadi wo habone insider ni asham na bros ni yaba begina shoulder of the road na makwan no ss no kudos to eye TMA gas no so ene adwa pa ya moye na de ba akonso ekoso Tema ye ne Ghana Port and Harbour Authority penfo ama ho approval ye mani asaju ye pai se edrumre bia ahyenkafo ekofa containers ewo Tema so segina bia e divert amafo containers eti container se ko akwasinsion no obehe na akwakodi o mahene kwabna santo o pechi akoya wunhu ene na by virtue of penfo show me egu akwamti no yeso matiko be fence jump to I say yes Yo maka hyenkafo a efa containers nyina wo Tema so hyen gyina bia nyina bom ayo mo baako aye biometric card using Ghana card and driver's license etine so bi container e divert ko ba bia by virtue of sa jump to for system ni tino ye betumi allocate ba bia akodi maka chro ye reporting only bad news ade papa kosua ye beka mampanifo say nanu esi ye ka ho asem no moye etukudo to mpanifo eda sa ekua no ne Ghana Port and Harbour Authority for that chita mo na wodi ama no because na manfo complain dodo and am container na divert akwa na container akwa kosi anom and by this o mesi ya track won ba bia wo nyina eso ye be wabaso ti se na ejina ye board the Minister for Roads and Highways abaso say enanu ye ka Harbour Road na pampa o share bo say obema contractor akoso na ampa ene bela atwamfo ne di akere yen am yo say contractor gina kwan so ye kwan na no pai na hyenkafo a epake ewo the shoulders of the road so Tema Metropolitan Assembly Task Force airport mu nyina firi wo no yetimi magina sa mo machi eye papa yaka ena moye tini ebo mabaso no tebia meka cho say yente mo nkrofo no that's the difference between you no mo yente mo nkrofo no yehunu bone yebeka yehunu papa yebeka so minister kudos and kudos to Tema Metropolitan Assembly mayor be right for also taking a keen interest. Near making sure say betimi sustain stade no ma ye ma hyenkafo no enyina the shoulder of the road. No mo niam na so mo no emu odru e be sai kwan no. We are ye wie say nyis kaketu o. We are ye wie no e na ye nya no normal kwan say ye normal kwan because of the heavy goods efa kwan so nti. Tima ye nwie nsa magya se ya task force na ko baako mienu miensa eno anu ya wie akote adada bi nipa so den nipa dasani na so den wan tu ni so sa papa wo se wo ye no wonye tie ko su monitor mo ne fa warning kase to onom se bi na be chiom na ne makokot abo mo ka foreigners say you free Burkina Faso, so free Mali, so free Niger, so free Nigeria, and they run my move. That's why you are aswadia. Yam pamaya more on driving car magana beam. Maybe we find share the infant free mo. And the road to then with Toman Kwana so qua. Now you ask a say, Quano said Yoko. Oh, my Quabras at theatre, as I make us a Joy News Habitat Fair. Basso. From 20th June to 23rd June, our Achimota Retail Center, EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2025. I feel up a suicide dying. I feel after us, I say, or talk one candy, go pen him the any I will dance him, ne pen him a cooper pay bet me a Sidiama war. Near Cousin Baby, me answer me, Julian, and so to an and say you walk. One year, so I say, my dear Broby, EcoBank, Virtual Security Africa, Superlock Technologies Limited. DBS Industries Limited, the Builders Market, Lesh Fortune Limited, Clifton Homes, and Afe Interplast. I'm not sure the 2025 EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2025. Bro, I'm back there.
Oh, Adom, maybe I come now. Sorry.
Adom.
So what's the latest on Dasebre?
So Dasebre, the Adom, now you hear them ye. A free ne efiada ekosini juada so. Ne juada ne de Dasebre ebeko ekura kra. Na se dey share etiami aduma memne da ne kwese da so. Na na mayemfo kromafo Ghana de hye ebenya akonya akohwe Dasebre ani achi ede atwa to kra. Eda juada ye 9th June. Eye otumfo osetutu the second. Nanama ifuye wo Asanteman Council. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman, other government officials, former president, former vice president, any other diplomat nkwan na dadwoada obenya kwan abawura amani ampon ahimfi akɔhwɛ da asebere ani achi tipatwe kan se ya hyɛ de agibra ye chechim sa na be ye dadwoada no enkofa asɛm bia ma adwoada de exclusive to empedefo abobo mu din etu nka ho a enko adwoada eyo asante hene otumfo sɛ ababio na nanom ye wo Asanteman Council His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Her Excellency Professor Nana Jenopoku Ajiman other government officials diplomats and eko kohwe da asebere na echi edadwoada na o memre da na kwese da so de ye kromafo na namanfo and eko kohwe da asebere na echi
spokesperson for governs Abuja. What's the latest on the oil?
Okay, so and now I'm say ye kan wahanom ese Tema Harbour Road.
So I use spokesperson advisedly because Chinano Obesabe the enemy in court. So I'm saying this is for a purpose.
Yeah.
So Timase, just like I keep telling people that as we speak now, John Mahama continues to be the hope for this country. Yeah,
as we speak.
It's conditional. So when we see good things, we talk about it. When we see what is not right, we will talk about it.
And now what promise ye.
So as we speak, you are the spokesperson for the good things that yeah. What's the DNSC?
And now ye beka wa ha se Tema Harbour Road.
Yeah.
Na enye. Ye di mfoni ni chire manfo. Se na enye kura.
It's been corrected.
Minister Jebrek Shebo say contractors because a crucial road mo my Ghana. Ampara sie ka say contractors ejina so se na bella a report my no. You are more yes adwuma.
All right.
Any aside tie me task force akogu nkwan chen say vehicle akese ejina shoulders no ye mo obi anyina ho biem.
Okay.
Ye pomo nyina so e dey free one.
Okay, so Akwesi, I know how you love that ministry and the minister Bia Obahobia because of when you made the modern man point you know, awful. And there are challenges. Kofi Job ever be clear for you. Any problems are Obi Chrome Mosiaso. Very bad road, you know. And the say I never knew you are so powerful when it comes to the road ministry and the minister. Me brene ya mwakwata ene asesuna so mamema betiso se ebreye ninka so tie na ofa mwakwata ni wasesuna se wo de na aba
na enyiro nyina ese
Abuja
ye na nyame asese ye kan ye owura kwame Abuja ate na otu wa na mo
kwasi adaro ma wo de na aba na jitu
be na asiyami chira